Hey there, pretty smart rich fam. Welcome back to the podcast where beauty, fashion, and tech collide. And today we're diving into something huge. Imagine a world where your skincare routine isn't just personalized, it's powered by AI. But here's the twist, this isn't about robots taking over, it's about how creatives, artists, and innovators like you are teaming up with tech to redefine beauty. I'm Christina, and in this episode, we're breaking down how AI is transforming skincare and how you can be part of the revolution. Even if you've never written a line of code, stick around because I've got a free guide to help you land your dream role in AI beauty. No tech degree required. Let's go. Now, in this first segment that I am speaking to you guys all about the rise of AI in skincare. Let's start with the big picture. AI just isn't for Silicon Valley coders anymore. It's in your bathroom cabinet. Think about brands like Curology, Proven Skincare, or L'Oreal Perso Device. These tools analyze your skin type, your lifestyle, even your environment to create hyper personalized serum moisturizers and foundations. But here's what the most people miss. Behind every AI algorithm, there's a team of humans making it relatable. Take Proven Skincare, for example, their algorithm, there's a team of humans making it relatable. And there's AI crunches the millions of data points, but it's the copywriters, the UX designers, and the skincare experts who turn that data into a product that feels personal. AI might recommend the ingredients, but humans decide how to make you feel seen. Now, of course, we know how AI is personalizing our beauty routine and our skincare routine. It's one of the most important parts of the beauty industry that it is transforming right now. There's been so many different brands that have already been looking and using the skincare analysis. Perfect Corp is one of them who have not only use not only do they create the technology to enhance our personalization through our skincare routine, but they and many others, Hot AI is also another for skincare. And it's just tremendously improving how we look at our skin health, how we look at our wealth, how we look at our health in general from these things. And it's so exciting to be able to see how the AI is based on coding, is based on technical skills. But it doesn't mean anything without the skin expert, the skincare experts who know how to use their services, but they need the data from the AI to create a more personalized experience. And that's exactly what AI brings you. There's no need for you to learn how to code. And a skin expert can join forces with a technical person who does code, who is in tech, and you can revolutionize the skincare industry in creating your own AI skin product, whether that be a service that you provide with AI or maybe an app or even the technology and a software. There's many different ways where you can create the technology that is developed and created by your expertise, whether you are a makeup artist, a skin expert because you're an esthetician and you've worked on millions of different faces and you've helped women recover from their skin problems, or maybe you're a dermatologist who's also been focused on helping women with their skin issues. Maybe they've been recovering from rosacea. All those data points, all of that is data. Whether you don't even understand it, it's okay because technical people know how to take that information and translate it into data. The data that can create the AI personalization through technology and any tool. So then that data that you have through your expertise is turned into a tool where your client can use it to benefit her by offering another one of your services, offering one of your products that you sell, upselling another item, cross-selling another item or a service, or even just to check in on her daily routine for her skincare. Maybe she's out of a product and you want to recommend something for her. Maybe that day her skin's a little bit more red than usual. And that's where your expertise can actually go in and you can help her. So, all of these different data points is what AI is going to ask you for. And a technical person that is a coder or does code is going to tell you this is what we can build and what we can come up with. And it's really your creativity that can take it from there on what exactly it is that you're trying to build and what it is exactly that you want to provide your services or offer with your new AI. And it's really incredible. I know that, for instance, Curology, the CEO of Curology, said, our AI helps us customize formulas, but our dermatologists and storytellers ensure it's not just effective, it's empathetic. To me, that sounds so good to hear that empathy is still at the center of many brands. And it's just not, there's just no human touch without empathy. And empathy has a advantage in AI or any type of technology because AI and tech doesn't have human characteristics, nor can you make it have human characteristics. No matter how much people try to make it be human, it's not. And it will never understand our moods. It doesn't comprehend moods, it doesn't understand our empathy that we have. And even when someone says something negative, it's not going to take it quite well. But I'm really glad to hear that Curology does have empathy at the center of what they're doing with the effectiveness of their storytellers and dermatologists. That's the key. AI isn't replacing human creativity, it's amplifying it. And this opens up so many opportunities for people who love beauty but never saw themselves in tech. And if you didn't see yourself in tech, now it's the time to really start opening your mind and creativity to realizing that it's just another tool in your toolbox, another digital asset that you can have to help your client because you already have the data. You have the years of experience and expertise. Now you just need to put all of that data and those data points and put it into, I would say, a box because AI is like MLM and it is machine learning. And so the machine needs all the information and all the data that you have, and you need to put it into this box. And so what a coder is going to do, what a technical person is going to do, a programmer, is they're going to take those data points from you and put it into this box. And you also get to experience, as a makeup artist, you get to design the UX design, how you would imagine and you would like for it to look or see with the colors that you want to signify your brand. All of this encompasses how AI is transforming the experience in our skincare routine. And we're just going to see it progress even more. Well, guys, thank you so much for listening to today's episode and tuning in to Pretty Smart Rich. I hope you found this episode extremely helpful. And don't forget, we also have a guide for the non-technical founder who would like to learn how to start their own AI app for skincare. Thank you so much. Peace and love as always.